dice streams trick. Get tons of rolls and coins and dice streams. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick to get tons of rolls and coins and dice streams. Dice streams revolves around rolling dice to collect coins and build your kingdom. One effective trick is to time your rolls strategically to maximize your bonus multipliers and free roll timers. Now first, claim all your daily free rolls and bonus spins immediately when they refresh. Don't waste any free spins as they stack up only to a point before expiring. Use the bank feature to save coins for upgrading your castle and buying more dice, increasing your roll rewards over time. Join active teams or clubs to get extra rewards and bonuses that boost coin earnings and rolls. Another trick is to watch ads when offered to multiply your rolls or coin rewards, especially during events. Focus on upgrading dice that increase your chances of hitting big combos which yield massive coin bonuses. Finally, participate in in-game events and tournaments which often reward extra rolls and coins. By combining these methods, you'll build a steady flow of rolls and coins to accelerate your progress. And that's how you get tons of rolls and coins and dice streams.